Hello everyone. So once again today is another awesome day because I have another eBay package coming in, and it should be one of these, a Yale push key type of padlock. So let me just open this guy up. Now in the pictures, the one that I ordered, or the one that I bought, it looks like it's almost brand new. I mean, either that or somebody got really aggressive with cleaning, because most of the other ones have got a lot of age and wear on them, but this one looked like it had been sitting in a factory somewhere. It didn't look like it was outside, that's for sure. I looked at the, I'm trying to get this thing out of this little package here. Fairly well secured in there. There we go. So it's pretty shiny. The shackle don't act like it want to move. Core looks a little. I'm gonna get a core shim and see if I can run it up the side there. I'm not gonna shim it right now. I just want to see if that plug is gonna. Well, I don't know where. Yeah, that's right. I got crap lying around everywhere. So yeah, the shackle looks pretty good. Alright, I got Yale core shim. This one may be too big, but I just want to stick it. See if it'll go down the sides here. Yep. It's really tight on this side over here. I see a bunch of gunk. I might try to stick this guy in a vise and pick him before I shim him, just to see if it'll go, because man, there's a bunch of gunk on that right side. It won't even move, and it should. Just like it went down on the left side, or on the right side if you're looking at it here. This shim should go down the right side also. When it's not, it's hitting a bunch of gunk. And because this is a push key type of padlock, that may give me too much resistance for picking, but we'll see. And they had me do the damn printer today, tear apart the roll printer, so I got ink all over me, ink and glue. I got most of it off. Alright, so there we go. Got another Yale in, a little Yale. They're buddies now, they're friends. They're gonna talk to each other. And I'm gonna go try to, first I'm gonna try to pick it. And if I can't do that, then I'm going to shim it and get that puppy open. And then when I make a key for this guy, I can try to make a key for this one too out of this. It's not real strong metal, but you don't need real strong metal for a push key. You're not putting any torque on it. You're just going forward. Alrighty, so we'll get back to that one in a second.